Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to use the masking tool in Photoshop. So as you remember in previous tutorial what we did was just crop this image using this elliptical crop tool, and then we put over here and just like transform it to match the size of the cup. And that's one technique, but today we are going to learn a different technique. So again, let's go to this tool, elliptical marquee tool, and just select a circle. So press shift and drag it across a circular region. So this is my circular region and I selected it. Now instead of pressing Ctrl plus C and then pasting over here, what we are going to do is use this tool right here, that is the masking tool. So let's add a mask, and as you can see, the background has gone, only this part is visible to us. So you can see that in the layer as well, that this is the original image and this is a layer mask that is linked to this image. So the black portion is the portion that was originally in the image that we cropped out, and the white is this visible region. So now let's go to this move tool, drag it, and put it over here in the teacup. So we've put in the teacup, press Ctrl plus T and start transforming it. So let's make its size to match that of the teacups and press enter. Perfect, yeah. Just little bit I have to adjust it. So done. Okay, so we've added the mask over here, and as you can see in the layers as well, this is our background, this is the original image, and this is the linked mask image, right? So now the effect, the benefit of using mask is that if we select this original image and just, okay, not this, just first unlink this. Now select this image, the original image, and as you can see, you can always drag the part of the image that you want in the circle. So if you somehow mess up with the selection using the marquee tool, then you can always redo it over here and make the changes and make it look even better. And even this, you can change the position of the circle. So this is the main use of the masking tool. And then the most important use over here is this feather. So for that, I'll just zoom in to the image. So currently, as you can see, the image that we have added is quite sharp and doesn't blend well with the background, with the image of the cup. So to match it, to blend it even better, go to this feather and just slide it to some figure where you see that there's a distortion and the image is blending well with the background. So you have to experiment with that because there's no particular setting in this. This setting changes for every single image. And so if I keep 9, it looks well blend with the background. Let's do it, or maybe let's try for 10 if that looks good. It does look good. So once done, you can always press enter and then make sure that you check this link over here, else the masking is not perfectly applied. So I've checked the link over here and the image is also quite in the center. If I don't feel that, I can again go to this image and always change the placement of the image. And again, once done, just go to this link and click it back to normal. So this is the first use of masking tool. We are going to learn masking and even more further applications of it in the next video. Till then, stay tuned guys. Hope you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.